So today let me take you through this journey of creating this lovely planter with a bird bath kind of rainwater harvested technology and a do-it-yourself kind of um method to create your own daily use herb requirement. So very simple, very easy, and I will run you through the entire process. So today let me share with you this new project. I'm going to design a DIY daily use PVC planter herb tower with the rainwater catchment. So I've got all the material and the design is ready. The total length will be around 24 inch with the internal pipe, which is the rainwater pipe, which will be around 27 inches, and the catchment, the saucer catchment, see, will be over here. We will keep the pipe a little higher so that there'll be water remaining here and birds can probably drink out of here. Yeah, that's the idea of having the tray lower than the pipe, so water can collect here and rainwater will go through here and will be equally distributed on this whole planter tower. We will try to create these holes in here using the gas stove heat. Okay, it needs a little bit of heat. I've just done one for your just to explain one, and I'll be doing the rest. You see how nice it's. You can paint it later, and you need to mark before you do your job. It's very, very important. So let's get started now. Very simple to make a hole in your rainwater collection tray. Just use a nice sharp, good knife, and then that's the way. Okay. So the rainwater catchment tray is ready, or the bowl. I just use one of those kitchen bowls that are microwavable, and you just can scrape it around. Very simple. And then install, just tape it off using a rough file. There you go. That's it. You can fix this area, all these cracks with silicone or even candle wax. So your marking on the pipe will be simple. Every 5 inches, make sure you keep the center penetration pipe, the rainwater harvesting pipe, in the center so that you have sufficient recess. So the marking is done. It's a 24 inch long 150 mm dia pipe, or 6 inch to be very specific. And the internal rainwater pipe is around say 1.5 inch or 40 dn. And we will make holes in the internal pipe. Every 2 inches we'll put a 5 mm hole. Okay, so marking is very important. So I marked the pipe and now I'll start cutting. Sure you cut it perfectly straight. So I'm using my gas, stove top, and you have to be a bit careful, but you better have more heat rather than the hair dryer. So that's what I'm thinking, and it's working well. Using my bottle to shape it, and it's working fine. Make sure the heat is transferred to all the marked areas, equally. So with the heat available, you make sure you try and penetrate your pipe before, to make sure you can, you don't have to get worried about it lighter. All right. So as you keep doing this, you get better at it. Remember, you can put the pipe before so that you can align it well and get it straight as possible. And it's hot, so you can play with it. So remember, and also you can use a lighter schedule pipe. My opinion is much easier. Okay, you can see now, you can understand this project much better, and the purpose of this rainwater pipe in the center. One more tip: do not cut all together. All the markings, don't cut it at one time. You cut one at a time. Complete your task and move to the next task. All right, of sandpaper, all over. Let's start drilling this pipe. Just one by one. So use a file to take off all the birds. Doesn't need to be pretty. All right. Try to maintain any markings, any information. Please keep them there. They will be helpful for some other time. So let me run you through the project. First, the project drawing, the DIY plan, and then do a quick assembly. Okay, no rocket science involved. Just straight away insert. There you go. And let's now install the rainwater catchment. Okay, sorry, there you go, rainwater catchment, and we will keep it a little higher than it should be, you know, a bit higher, not too high but a bit higher. That way if the birds come in, they will drink water from here, and the overflow will go and will normally get in here and come out from here and, you know, water the plants. So that's the entire project. I've emeриed it and I'm going to now paint it, spray paint, okay, that way. Very nice, easy peasy, nothing to worry, quick spray paint. All right, painting is done, and now let's insert this pipe. Okay, don't need to paint the pipe. Install the rainwater catchment, but keep a gap so that the water can stay here and the birds can have a little bit of water once in a while. Let's fix the leaks, put some glue. There you go. Some information on the paint. Make sure it's a paint and primer, you know. So, and it should dry fast because you're using it on plastic or PVC. And then you need bead mat, and then I'm going to prepare 5 mats for each. So my mats are ready. Okay, there are 5 of them for each floor, we can call it. Yeah, each level 1 mat. So all the mats are in place. You know, the mats are to make sure that the soil doesn't pass through those holes. So now we will insert the pipe. Now in the pot. All right, and now let's fill it with soil. Keep filling. Rainwater irrigation test. All right. Voila. Looks like it's working because level is going down. See, water is flowing everywhere. This is a good sign. Excellent, excellent. Very good, very good. That's for the birds. Excellent. When it's full, it will go down. You can keep it close to your kitchen or also in the balcony. Multi-purpose herb kind of arrangement. Herb requirement for your kitchen. And there you go. Excellent project, and it is really going to help a lot for your daily use herbs. Cheers guys, enjoy.